is about actually adverb. So what is adverb? We will talk about adverb first of all. Adverb is a word which modifies verb, adjective, and another adverb. Like we had in the past that we have already discussed that adjective. So adjective is a word which modifies noun or pronoun. And then we have adverb. So adverb is a word which modifies verb, adjective, and another adverb actually. Like one adverb can perform three functions. One adverb tells you more about verb, mean it tells you more about the action of a person. And it also tells you more about adjective, and one adverb also modifies, it also explains another adverb. You can notice these three examples. Ali speaks English fluently. And this sentence fluently is an adverb, and this fluently is telling you about speaking of Ali. If you remove this fluently, still our sentence is complete and the meaning is not affected. Like we say, Ali speaks English. So simply we can understand that what does Ali do? So Ali speaks English. But fluently tells us that how the action is performed. So the action is performed fluently, fastly, quickly, rapidly. Okay, so likewise we say Ali speaks English fluently. Likewise, we have another example. Ali speaks English so fluently. So in this sentence, we have Ali speaks English so fluently. So this sentence mean that there are two adverbs. Like fluently is also adverb and so is also adverb. And this sentence fluently is sentence of a person, but so is also an adverb. It is emphasizing fluently, that how much fluently? So fluently. So all those verbs which describe adverb, so those are actually called adverbs. Like Muhammad is a very nice boy. In this sentence, nice is an adjective which is describing boy, and very is describing nice actually. So adverb perform three roles in a sentence. Like adverb is a word which modifies verb, adjective, and another adverb. You can see three examples. In the first sentence, the adverb is describing verb. In a second sentence, like so is an adverb, it is describing another adverb fluently. And third example, very is an adverb because it is describing nice adjective. So adverb performs three roles. It tells you more about verb, it tells you more about adjective, it tells you more about another adverb. So one adverb can perform three functions. It describes verb, it describes adjective, it describes another adverb. Likewise, we have kinds of adverb. So the first one we have adverb of time. It shows that when someone does something. Adverb of time shows the time actually. It shows that when someone does something. Like he went to school yesterday. So in this sentence, yesterday is an adverb of time because it tells us about the time that when the action was happened, the action was happened yesterday. They are playing cricket now. So now is an adverb which shows the action, like playing, the time, that when is the action performed or performing, so the action is performed now. Like he will call you later. So later is also showing the time, that when will he call? Later. Like he fought with someone last night. So last night, actually last is also showing the time, that when? Last night. I'll cook dinner tonight. So I'll cook dinner tonight. So in this sentence, dinner is also tonight is also describing the action, what cooking. When this action will take place, so it will take place tonight. So whenever those words which shows you the time of an action, it shows you that when someone does something. So for that we are using adverb of time. Is it clear?
Sir,
Yes.
सर इसमें clock time आएगा जैसा कि we go to school at 7 o'clock. ये भी इसमें आ सकता है.
7 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
7 o'clock is actually a time, but we cannot say adverb of time. Adverb of time are those words which shows you the time. Like yesterday is a word, but 7 o'clock is not a word. So it doesn't show you any, it shows you the time, but it's not adverb of time actually, okay? So like the word which gives you the time, like yesterday, like now, like later, like last, like tonight, these are called actually adverb of time.
Yes,
it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next we have adverb of frequency. So adverb of frequency, it shows that how often someone does something. How often mean how many times. It shows the number of an action. Like sometimes we are giving the exact number. Likewise, I go to Islamabad 2 times a month. So I go to Islamabad 2 times a month. The time is exact. I give the exact figure like 2 times. Likewise, I watch TV 2 times a day. So mean I perform this action watching TV 2 times a day. Exact figure I'm giving you in the morning and in the evening. Likewise, I can say here that I paint my room twice a year. Mean I will paint my room 2 times in 1 year. So mean that after 6 months each. So what I give it the exact time of something. Like suppose I say here, I play cricket 4 times a month. Mean 4 times a month mean once in a week. Like in every week, every Sunday, one time in a month there are 4 Sundays. I play cricket 4 times a week, a month actually. So sometimes we are giving the exact numbers when we are showing the number of an action. But sometimes we are using some words. Those words do not give us the exact numbers of an action, but it shows you some percentage, like how often this action is performed. Example, he usually speaks English inside the academy. So he usually speaks English inside the academy, usually tells us about the percentage, like how often this action is performed. So this action is performed 80%. Likewise, they never come to class on time. Sorry, they never come to class late. So never come to class late, never is showing you also the exact figure, the percentage, like 0%. Mean it is the opposite of always, like they always come to class on time, they never come to class late. It is always hot in Noshera in the summer. If you think about this, the weather of Noshera in the season of summer, so it is always hot. It is 100% hot. So it shows you percentage. Like they often eat in a restaurant. Often it is used for 70%. Means 70% they are going and they are eating at the restaurant. Adverb of frequency. Okay. Please, you have to join this meeting again. Okay. The time is finished of this meeting because it will be off within 2 to 3 minutes. So you have to rejoin this meeting. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please rejoin it.
Sir, the only, sir,